What up, Joey? We back. We back. What up, Sean? Dude, I think they're going to take this down to the orb. Top orb. Yo. What up, Yosef? What up? Oh, man. I'm just going to exit. I'm going to exit and see if they bring it back down. I don't like stochastics are turning up. I'd rather not sit in this shit. Oh, man. Had some good trades off during lunch. Ended up locking in this for another trading day. 3 more trading days for a payout, and I got this one almost half over. I'm going to need to do $110 in it on Monday and then finish it off on Tuesday. Dude, is this thing going to go? Oh, I got some fresh coffee. I think what I say, we're going to close the day at what, 25,000? I think we're going to work ourselves all the way down to 25,000. That's where I think we're going to close the day. They're going to pin it right there. What's up, Carolina? What up, Double O? They might stop me out, but I truly believe we're going to go all the way back down to 25,000. I'm not copy trading. I'm not going in heavy. No, you can do 1,600 2 days in a row. We are at 25,140. I think we're going to dump 140 points and close at 25,000. 140 points away, Mike. 140 points in an hour and 45 minutes. Can we do it? Yeah, as long as it's 50%, Steve. What's up, Trevor? I just think they're going to pin it right there. I could be completely wrong. I do think that this run up continues higher. Where are we? I think the bullish scenario is we go up into this inversion and then down. That's probably what's going to happen. But this is on the daily. That would make the most sense to me. Obviously, they can close it up here and it can continue higher. It's gray over here. It's definitely gray. Just a gray sky in the northeast. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. Nothing, no sun, no nothing. What up, Paul? What up, Scalping? I mean, we're sitting right above Asia high right here. Back for the Ducks. I mean, here's the hourly. If they could flip this green, it would look great. Push all the way back up. I got stopped out. I thought they would bring it down. Dude, that's what it is. It's super gray out today. I will say now that they brought this up, you definitely have a higher low. You actually have a head and shoulders is what you got. An inverted head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. They got a break above. I would say you get over 200, it probably runs. Yo, where are you at that it's snowing, Mike? You think the up is over? I think if we can get above 200, they'll run it back to the top, but I don't know why. I just feel like they're going to close it at 25,000. It's like a gut feeling. Oh, dude, you're in Alberta? That's crazy. Probably cold. It's probably super cold up there. Yeah. Dude, cold, cold. That's right. Weren't you saying you work in a mine? Open pit? Bro, my alarm. My fucking alarm is beeping. 30. I guess, is that 30 Fahrenheit? Yeah, yeah. Eric, you're shorting the NQ? We spill over right here and then go under here. I like it. If it goes over 200, I think they bring it all the way to the top. What up, Flip? Dude, this is a... Hold on. Be right back. My freaking alarm won't stop beeping. I'm like, stop beeping. Bro, something smells like popcorn in my house. I don't know what it is. So glad that happened. The fuck was that? Got to get back over 200. Got to get back. Otherwise, it's null and void. Should I take my profits? Oh, is it going to go? The only thing I'm worried about is right here, right? Right here, right here brings you right here. I think if we can get over 24, we'll probably see probably 55. Yeah, John. I don't even have to look, but yeah, there's definitely an order block there. Just because I'm down in this account today, I am going to move my stop up. Just fucking in it, man. Just in it. In it to win it. Ripped your tits off? Yo, what? Why? You just kept on shorting as it was going up? That's the one that you got to watch out for with the stochastics is they can ride overbought for for a while. I'm going to get stopped here. Do not stop me out. Do not stop me out. I'm going to stop you out. Bro, why is that? I think they're going to get through it. Seems like they are. If they can get over it, John, you got to assume it's going to go to the top, right? I mean, John, it is until it's not. It is until it's not. I feel like there's two magnets. It's 2,500. And what is it? I think it's all the way up here. I was looking at the top right here. So it'd be 25, like not like 25, 586. You know what I mean? Kind of went down, inverted. I think we make our way up to the top. But obviously, you have a lot of back and forth in between. I got a magnet for you. I mean, holy shit. I mean, who would have thought that we would have been this high this morning? I mean, if we would have closed where we were at this morning, everybody would be talking about how bearish it was. Yo, Ron, what indicator is that? What I don't know what I don't know. What are you talking about? Are you talking about these green boxes or this? These are all my indicators. Take a screenshot. The one that's causing this is order blocks and breaker blocks by Lux Algo. Too high. Too high. I'm just seeing if it goes, it's going to go. But I don't know if they're going to let it. I don't hate it. I don't love this, but I don't hate it. I'm just kind of playing off of, the 5-minute is looking very good. The 5-minute, we go over 224. Most likely we're going to go up there. I'm going to buy and then I'll add. See what happens. This is the 5. If we can get over this 224 area, it'd be really fucking nice. Come on. Fucking send it, man. Send it. Watching the 5-minute chart is much more relaxing. Knob, it's all over the place. It's all over the place. Full send, baby. Dude, this just fucking died. They're going to bring it down to 82 and then back up. What up, Code? Dude, my fucking mouse is all fucked. Smash the freaking like button now. What up, Ace? Dude, this is just freaking. I'm waiting for my big candle. Dude, I was giving away knowledge all day, Eric. Have you been around? Giving away knowledge. Why do I feel like I'm going to get fucking whipped out here and then it's going to come back? Free of charge, baby. Can't even put a price on it. Man, if this next 5-minute candle is green and goes over, it's going to look so good. I'm just hoping. Listen, I play the probabilities here. This is the candle that I want to see go up. Captain, is this an eval? What do you think? It says it on the screen. I don't hide my account numbers. And what type of stream do you think this is? I'm not hiding my account numbers. It says MFF, my funded futures, F core. This one says V core. Funded, baby. What up, Chris? I'm watching it on the one. What up, Adil? It's got to happen within the next couple minutes. I'm not going to lie. Within the next couple minutes, because I'm looking at it on the one, you got about 3 to 5 minutes to make a move to the upside, and then I'm fucked. No, I'm joking. I was just joking around with you, Captain. No. Do I always size like this? No, dude. I was messing around with you. Recently I've sized like this on my phone, the future accounts, because there's no consistency rule on their evals. So I have done very well lately playing one, and then when it's over 51,000, playing two minis, where I just like ride a trade out like this. And like one day I did $1,500 in it, like in another account. Like that's the type of trades that I like. I was up 500 in an XFA on Topstep today, was about to take 2,000 payout. Dude, that sucks, man. How do you participate? It'll say it in the chat when it opens up, Eric. Got to be on the stream. Bro, I need Trump to fucking do around the top and then the down with the Chinese guy right now on a TikTok video. The old high five and then come around for the low as you're walking past them. I need that. Trump and the Chinese dude right now, TikTok. And then we go to the moon. Bro, we are right at the cusp of breaking out of this fucking thing. Bro, some magic water. Bro, if they had some magic water, bro, we'd be up 100 points. Bro, come on. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Oh, this is it. This is it. Get over. Do not do me dirty. I'm moving my stop up, obviously. Bro, give me that fucking blue chew, blue pill all the way up. I'm starting not to like this, just an FYI. I'm out. I'm out. I took a $90 loss. I actually made, I'm fine doing that. Dude, that was a smart fucking move. Let me see. I would be open to getting back in if they do break over 23. I'm watching on my other screen. This is what it looks like on the one. I'm going to show you. This was where I wanted to go through. They just couldn't do it, and it just felt like the buying pressure is just getting sucked out. It needs to break. You know, you got shoulder, head, shoulder, and it's consolidating right here. It needs to break this to the upside. So you got a flag right here, right? I mean, this is kind of what you got going on. You could buy the bottom of the flag, you know. It's not that I dislike it. It's just I want to see it move. I want to see it move out. You know, I was looking at this on the 5. It's just every time it's just losing fucking momentum. I want it to go. I would be willing to get back in. It's not something that I'm just out of and I'm not touching it the rest of the day. But it's not something that I'm like, boom. What up, LK? Tradeify lagging? No. I had an issue the other day, though. We're just consolidating. Just consolidating. Yo, Eric, if you put exclamation point Cove Trader in the chat, you can enter the thing probably. I'm entering. I'm in. Dude, it's just It's just chopping here. Like, just I have it drawn out. We're just gonna play. I'm gonna play whatever way it goes. I do think it goes up though. I'm just putting in some orders if it breaks. Damn, I didn't even know this order was fucking in there. Dude, that would have been interesting. Yeah, Brandy, 1000%. I had it on the I had it on the stream before. Here we go. Come on. Here's the 5. Now, what you don't want is you don't want to come back, right? You definitely don't want to come back, because if it comes back, then all you got is a fake out, right? See, so now I'm just locking in some gains. I sold half, and now I go up to break even, and then I just let the other half run. Wherever it goes, it goes. All I'm doing is positioning myself to lock in gains, and then that's it. We just watch. Obviously you put your stop here, because if this turns red and goes down, you're not going to want to be in that anymore. Dude, that was a fucking weak ass breakout. It could come back and bounce here, but that was weak. Super fucking weak. I mean, obviously I profited, but I expected more. Kind of embarrassed. Expected more out of it. They bring this candle back in here. I definitely don't like that. What up, Alpha V? Good afternoon, Nathan. But you guys, see, when you're playing, why I move my stop up? Because, look, would you still want to be in this shit right now? No. That's why I move my stop up. Granted, look, this can turn around and go all the way up, but what I like is done already. You guys are going to ask me about this in 2 seconds, but I don't know why it's not on this. I'm going to show you because I have this on my other screen, and I don't know why it's not on this one. Why aren't they showing here? Dude, that's freaking funky. That's funky. There's an imbalance right here that we rejected on. I don't know why it's not showing. What up, Nick? Welcome to the stream, Trad Reco. Welcome. What up, guys? You guys trading today? You hit your daily loss limit. What do you is it personally set or was it prop firm set? Like what'd you hit? $50K eval. All right. Dan Henderson, very few trades for me today. I'll say earlier today, the price action was much better. And recently, it's just kind of whackadocious. I mean, I like this. I'm not buying it. So I copy trade. Right now, my copy trader, I have 3 accounts I'm doing at once. So one of these trades I actually copied on my laptop. So I was playing 4 accounts at once. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Why, Scalper? I will get to my email after the stream today. Yo, it's Ball Sack Friday. New people are like, what is that? Gonna have to stick around and see. Yo, who wants to do numbers game real fast? Number game. I'll tell you what, when copy trading does not work out, you can easily get into a position where you just revenge trade and you're just staring at a lot of fucking red. You know what I'm saying? And if you're okay with staring at red, like I'm fully okay with being down in accounts. But if you're not at the point where you could be red and still trade your strategy, then you should not copy trade accounts because, you know, being red doesn't really bother me. It just, I know over time my strategy works. But if you see 4 accounts and they're all red and then you got to place another trade and then that trade goes red and you're not okay with that, then don't do it. Don't do it, because mentally it's going to be, mentally it's going to be a thing. All right, real quick, numbers game. First of all, smash the like button on the video, and I will start this up. Once we hit 18,000 likes on the day, I will start this up. That's it, just 18,000. All right. We ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I'm watching. All right, it's 1 through 50. It's 1 through 50. Bro, it's 1 through 30. I don't think anyone's gotten it yet. Somebody was just one off. Yo, the number is 26. The number is 26. The number is 26. Let's see who got 26 first. I love when it gets to the point that I'm like, yo, the number is 26. All right, let me see who got it first. Golden got it first. See? Golden got it. Dude, that shit's so funny. The number is 26. Bro, I got a good game we could play. I got a good game that we could play. Riggs! I don't know how I'm going to do this, though. Hashtag 2 don't work? What is that? Rigged. The system is totally rigged. Yeah, I don't see my name then rigged. So watch out for gold to close below this. This is actually a real interesting spot for gold. It can't wick. It's got to actually close below this fair value gap. Yo, I'm going to be brought to the board of the American Number Guessing Association of America. I'm going to have to go in front of the board and plead my case. Check the email for the duck. Yo, what up? Oh, Rob the Scalper's back. What's up, man? We're going to have one more fun game where the winner goes to the ball sack also. You ready? We're going to have a little fun. You guys, this is a new game. Okay? This is a new game. The game is called The Answer is 500. Okay? First person to put the answer in for the question that I'm going to put out. So I'm going to say a question, and the first person that gets it right is in here. You ready? We're going to start now. Hold on one second. No, dude, what are you guys doing? I didn't put the question out yet, dude. What are you guys doing? Dude, I didn't put the question out. Holy shit. We're going to go up? We're going up? Hold on one second. I'm going to take 3 micros. I'm just going to let it ride. I'm just going to let 3 micros ride. Ready? This is the question. What color is a stop sign? The answer is 500. The game is called The Answer's 500. Yeah. It was so easy. Now I got to look. Bro, this is what happens on Friday when there's nothing to do. I said start now. Kisan said blue. The answer is 500. 421. So easy. Guys, the answer was 500. 421. 420 goes straight to the ball sack. Bro, you got to have fun. It's Friday. If you're not having fun, I don't know, you know. Ask me again. Yo, this trade's working out. Cove, I'm too old for that. I'm going to take a Hyundai right here. $90. Quick 90. Bro, that shit was hysterical. Oh. This is the shit that you get when you got kids. Because my kids will ask me something. They'll be like, yo, you want to play this game? The answer is this. And I'm like, sure. And they're like, all right, I got 3 questions for you. And they'll start asking me questions. I got another one. I forget what it was, though. I'm trying to think what my kids freaking. My kids come home with all this stuff. Just got to laugh. Just got to laugh it. Rigged. Carolina, rigged. Yeah, I got 2 young kids, so they getting all the. That's what, like, when Trade Day called their influencer cup I cup. I was like, bro, you can't call it I cup. I was like, I got little kids. Spell out I cup. My kids fucking laugh all the time. Yeah. What has 4 legs and always ready to travel? I have no idea. Yeah, Chris. That's like when they called it I cup. I was like, oh no. So I told my kids I was in the I Cup. Yo, that was like a 3 out of 10. We need a better one. Dude, I had some good dad jokes I threw in here. I think somebody got offended by it. Yo, Die Hard with a Vengeance was good. Oh, that's when they do the water jug, right? You got a 5-gallon jug and a 3-gallon jug. How do you get 4 gallons? If you didn't know, you fill the 3-gallon jug up. You dump the 3-gallon jug into the dude, I forget how it goes. Take the 3-gallon jug. I think you take the 5-gallon jug, you dump it. Oh, you fill up the 5-gallon jug, you dump it into the 3. You got 2 gallons left. Then you take the 3 gallons. Dude, I forget. I had it in my head 2 seconds ago. Busy looking at this. Oh, you fill up the 5-gallon, you dump it into the 3, you got 2 gallons left. Then you dump 2 gallons back into the 3-gallon one. Then you fill the 5 up, and then you dump 1 into the 3, and then it leaves you with 4 gallons. Bro, is Scalper delayed? Scalper, I think you're delayed a little bit. I think you're a tad bit delayed. Mango lemonade or watermelon? Bro, have you tried the retro flavors yet? The retro flavors are insane. Yo, it tastes like cotton candy smashed in the back of my throat. Yo, the retro flavors are really good. I highly suggest. Highly suggest. Trying to get the wave going. Dude, I think this is kind of breaking down, to be honest. The structure is definitely not what I want. You go to the 5. See, the 5 stochastic is rolling over, and you kind of broke this head and shoulders, but now you're back under the shoulder. It's not a good look. It's definitely not a good look. Yo, I literally got out at the top, though. Look at that. Top tick that shit. Little near-term bounce. Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm just telling you that it's interesting. Dude, if we drop 200 points in the next 40 minutes, I mean, anything can happen. We've dropped 80 points in 10 minutes. Tan lines effect? I'm going to scalp this shit real fast. Quick $70. You know what? It got over the 50 and the stochastics were turning up from the bottom. That's when you get a little momentum push. That's all I was looking for. That's all I was looking for. Just a little pushy McPusherson. Which one is that, Captain? Yo, I'm not even trading that. That's a fucking straight up ghost order. Where the fuck is that coming from? Bro, that's not even on my fucking copy trader. I don't even know where that came from. Dude, that's not even on my fucking thing. That's not like. Is Ninja even working? Dude, that's fucking weird. That's fucking weird. Somebody else was having issues with Ninja recently also. If this goes all the way back, this would be awesome for me. Yo, I'm just going to get a quick water from my other room. Hold on one second. I need water. Yo, the guy never came from my dumpster, by the way. I wonder what happens. He never came to pick his dumpster up. Oh, man. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. I want to see them go under 74 here. Under 74, and I really like it. Come on, baby. I will be interested in adding watch them just freaking unload this thing. I don't know if they're going to unload it. I'm just saying it's looking like some profit taking going into the end of the day. It looks like some profit taking going into the end of the day. The trend has obviously changed. Alibaba headlines? What's the headline? What's the Alibaba headline, Fred? Oh, no. White House says Alibaba is helping Chinese military target U.S. That's the one? Dude, if they can get under this 200, I'm going to put some orders around. I want to see them go under the 200. Add down here. I mean, it's not a great look for Alibaba. You know, that's going to cause a big fucking riff. Just going to sit here, have my coffee. Come on. Yo, would you guys, I'm just curious. This is a question that came up. Would you want me to have an account that I basically swing trade in it where I'm not trading on the 1, I start trading on the 5 or higher time frames where I could be in the trade for hours? Is that something that interests you or not really? I was kind of curious what you guys thought on something like that. You know, more. I know. It gets the people going. You know what it is? Sometimes the scalping happens so fast that by the time you see it, I might be out. So if I have an account that's just, you know, hey, I'm getting in this and I'm just going to hold this. You know, we talk about it. Like I talked about this trade setup before I took it. I said, you know, we got the 5-minute chart. You know, we broke this head and shoulders that was supposed inverted head and shoulders to the upside. We broke that back down. That's fucking bearish. To be able to trade this stock and make gains No, this is futures. Dude, I've never seen Blades of Glory. That's the only one I haven't seen. Yo, design knob. I have no tits. Uh Yo, you're in New York for the MMA, what, Madison Square Garden? Why is my stream always... I'll look right now at somebody else's. Let me see. I'll bring up a random live person that shows their account so I can see the thing. Let me see. See how I have the timer? They all have a delay. You know that, right? There you go, Maria. I might do something dangerous. Bro, I just sucked a free trade. All right. Bro, this guy's 3 seconds behind. This guy's 3 seconds behind. Let me see how behind I am. Bro, I'm 5 seconds behind. I'm looking at it. I see 5 seconds. Yeah, 5 seconds is what I see. Yo, he has no account numbers. How can you even see? He doesn't show his account numbers or anything. So how would you even see? Yo, if I didn't show my account numbers and everything, you wouldn't know either. I want the riddle. Yeah, I'm on low latency. I'm on the ultra low latency. I can look further. Dude, that's a lot. It's 1, right? Captain, 1? Dude, I almost fucking snagged this to the upside. I'm not saying I'm not going to. I'm just saying I got my finger on the trigger here. I'm watching it right now, and I'm debating. I'm watching it on the 1 and the 30-second for an entry, but this could possibly pop back up. I'm just watching. Oh man, I'm gonna have my fucking... Oh, it's right fucking there too. It's right there. I'm looking for to get over 151. Nah, it looks like shit now. Like Diddy said, it's all fucked up now. Yeah, you might be delayed because of I don't even know. The numbers game. Yo, knob. Yo, are they gonna like that behind Wendy's or what? I clicked the button. I'm holding it. I'm in. Well, they didn't add. I didn't add. I was adding. Rest, yo, R.I.P. to Knobs Titties. What the, yo, where do we go? I don't even know where to go with that. I was looking for this, and I was gonna a close over this, and I was in. It just never closed. That's why I only bought half. I would have added double when it went over. I'm still watching it. Low, a higher low. I'm still watching it. R.I.P. to Knobs Titties. Dude, that's freaking hysterical. Just didn't do it. Dude, I'm getting in on this shit. It is rejecting this 9 though, like, and it's getting tight. It's getting super tight. This might be where we go down and we see what I say, 25,000. Dude, that'd be a crazy. I've been talking about 25,000. I wonder if it does. Be a crazy move if you think about it. What up, Giraffe? I don't like this for a bottom, to be honest with you. I would rather this go down lower at this point. Yo, I need Trump to say fuck Alibaba and fuck China and then just drop it. Super strange day. I thought the morning was great, and then all of a sudden it just kind of faded. Put my fucking orders in. I got some orders if we break down for a quick scalp. Like if we get an algo candle down, I'll get filled and then filled. If we don't algo down, it's whatever. You're done by 10 a.m. California? I mean, hey, listen, that's awesome. I had a good morning. I locked in another My Funded Futures payout. I think I've gotten 12 payouts this month already. I'm going to add it up tonight, but I think I'm at 12 payouts for November already. Premature cellulation, Captain? Just fucking let it go. Come on. Dude, it's right. It's hanging on by a fucking thread. If they let this go, you'll get algo selling in there. I would not copy trade this. You know, this isn't. What's the difference between futures and stocks? This represents a bag of stocks. Stocks are individual. Futures is a collective. Technically, it's based on the future of the market. And it's actually a leverage product. Trading futures is actually leveraged. Yeah, it's, you know. What's up, Yanga? Yeah, I mean, that's probably the best way to put it. It represents the, you know, each stock is weighted differently. I got stopped out. Each stock is weighted differently. I mean, you can look it up. I don't know all the weights, but, you know, companies like NVIDIA, you know, make up a larger portion. I'm not even playing this to the upside, even though it inverted. That's fucking a garbage bottom. Yo, you got NVIDIA earnings next week, by the way. Freaking awesome time to pass an account. If you never passed, if you never played NVIDIA earnings, buckle up, baby. I typically go to pass a bunch of accounts on NVIDIA earnings. Usually it moves the market at least 100 points. at least 100. So I would just, if you're into that, they should start coming out with non-farm payroll and CPI in the coming weeks as the government reopens. So I would definitely be looking at that. I don't know, Chris. Like, I think today is super bullish. I don't know what they're talking about on Alibaba. Like, I don't know how deep that's going to go. I don't know. Like, what's interesting to me is with this drop, gold is dropping. Gold's usually an asset that people flee to when, there's uncertainty, and gold's coming down, which is interesting. I mean, you're back. Obviously, we traded a bunch in this area, so obviously there's going to be some support here. But I don't know. I think everything is news driven, and I almost feel like, so Nvidia reports, I believe, on Wednesday. Let me look. Wednesday. So Nvidia reports on Wednesday. I would assume that we're gonna grind up into Nvidia earnings either on Monday or Tuesday into Wednesday. I only say this because Nvidia represents basically all of AI. If Nvidia posts great earnings, that means all these other companies are doing well also, because everything is AI, right? If Nvidia posts not great earnings, then this whole shit is done. Whoosh. If they report shit earnings for whatever reason, dude, put a diaper on. But I assume their earnings are going to be really good, and I think we're going to pump Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I think the Nvidia earnings are going to pick the shit up. I think it's going to be good. Dude, I'm not trading silver. Oh, look at that shit. I got wicked out. This looks fucking awful. This looks like we're going back down. We're going down 100 points. Don't follow this, by the way. Please, don't ever follow anything, but this is something I definitely would not fucking. I have some orders. I want to wait for the break though. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be interesting what happens here. It's going to be interesting how it closes. Are we going to close strong, or are we going to sell off into the weekend? I feel like if they give this little area up, I mean, you could see the support. It's right here. Look, we bounced 1, 2, 3, for 5 times off the same area, right? If we give this up, I would say it's probably a clear shot to 25,100. You're rubbing your puts and they're starting to swell yet again. Interesting. Man, if I didn't get stopped out, do they bring this under? Under. Do they bring this under? Yo, it's getting crazy. It's getting close to 25,000, boys. Yo, we close at 25,000. Tell grandma and everyone else that I fucking called it when we were way up. But you know what? I just feel like they're going to pin it at a round number. They might hold it here at 25,100, They usually pin it on Fridays around something. You're going to have to just make more money, BK. You're going to have to make like 3,600. I think it's 30%, right? You're just going to have to make more money. Yo, you just reminded me. I need to make $50 in my wealth charts account. Can I make $50? And how hard could it be to make $50 in wealth charts? I can only play short though because I got 3 micros left. But I mean, really, guys, how hard could that be? Here we go. Here we go. Dude, I'm not fucking playing it right here. I'm just waiting. I sold in Apex, so I can flip this either way now. I'm just watching. I just need $50. I'll flip it to the upside. I don't care. If it gets over the 9, I'm flipping it for 3 points in this wealth charts account. Dude, they're just going to let this shit go. Nope. Nope. Little fight left. A quad long right here. If I go long and it doesn't work. Yo, I just got it real fast. I just got it. I think I got $80. And I'm leaving the platform. They, what do you call it? Yo, they denied my payout and wealth chart. So now I need to do 5 days of $50 or more. And then I got to flip for 3 days. So stupid. I just want my fucking money. I just want my money. Yo, TJ. Yo. Oh, man. Yo, it's so stupid. It's so stupid, Monet. Yo, do you use 5 micros or 1 mini? What'd you use? 5 micros or 1 mini? Is there a minimum I have to do with TPT if I'm flipping days? No, you could just flip. Yo, Knob gets so mad because you can only do 5 micros or 1 mini in My Funded Futures funded until you get over 51,000. That's because you're under 51,000. Once you're over 51,000, you could do more. Yo, what's he use? Two micros? Dude, this thing's, yo, I'm telling you, man, 70 points down. Don't limit me, bro. Oh, he's got to use micros? Yo, you have MOC in like no time. Bro, I can't even believe I just did that. That was so fucking dangerous. I go both. I was in a mini trade for a while. I was down $700 in a minis and I just held it. Yo, I think they're gonna bust MOC up and then you're gonna come back down. I know, John. I use both. I use both. I use both. I use micros when I copy trade because I'm copy. Dude, this looks like shit. Yo, maybe they squeeze out the shorts here. Do you use 1 micro in DCA up to 15 and pray that it comes back so you break even? Because if you're not doing that, are you really living? I might play this to the upside right here. Super fucking tight though. Look, they just got to hold right here. No, see, super tight. I don't even know why I'm in fucking this. There we go. Dude. Oh. I still like it. This is what I'm looking at, by the way. You have this gap. You just tested this gap, right? Now, if they push this out back over 107, I will take it over 107, and my stop will be the bottom of this candle. Just to they just invalidated it, to be honest. Invalidated. So I've never gotten 3 payouts in a row in the same account with Bulenox, primarily because I don't trade with Bulenox that much until they have 91% off. I've done 2 payouts in the same account, never 3. No, I think it's like 5 or 6 that you need. Are they just gonna rip this fucking thing up? I'm not copying. This is just one. I'm grabbing half size. If they get it above 117, I'll probably add. I'm into adding this for an end of day push. I'm going to get stopped. It's okay. We're going to bring it all the way back. Have I tried giving trade day? Yeah, I have accounts at trade day. I have an account right here at trade day. Let me look at that. They fucking wicked me out. This is why I don't like trading the last 10 minutes. I literally just got wicked out. Yeah, I have accounts at trade day. I haven't traded them today. I don't know why. I keep forgetting about them, to be honest with you. Stochastic's rolling over. The problem with trade day is their evals are fucking 30%. You know what I'm saying? They got 30% consistency rules on evals, which is kind of sucky. This is going to roll. You can use margin, Miguel, where you can have access to more capital without having it in your account. Different brokerages give you different margins. If you're tired of the trailing, I don't know why you don't use what do you call it? My funded futures. Yeah, I mean, if you have your own account, you could definitely do it. I use Tasty Trade when I trade my own personal money. But that's also the brokerage I use for my stocks and options. Yo, I want them to stay right here for the next minute. Do not go anywhere for the next minute. For the next minute, do not move. Do not move. As we get closer to the end of the day, the odds do not move. Do not move. Do not move. Yeah, don't fill those orders yet. Don't fill those orders. Don't fill those orders. Stay right here. Just stay right here. Don't go up, don't go down. Don't fucking move. Hold the position until I'm done. Why did it just fucking get me? It's going to come all the way back on me. Just fucking do it. Just dump it. Just dump it. Just dump it all the way back on me. Gonna go. Just dump it. I should have waited. I didn't wait. I have massive drawdown in this account, by the way. Dude, why can't I get out of this? Yo, I can't get out. What the fuck? Yo, I can't get out. I can't get out. I can't get out. Holy shit. All right, well, I made back $500. I made back $500. But yeah, I have a lot of drawdown in that account. I've had that account for 77 trading days. We've had ups in it. We've had downs in it. We've gone around in it. Plus, I'm okay because this one is over the payout buffer already. So a couple more trading days and I'll be able to pull out at least right now it's at $1,000, but I should be over. And this account is the one that I kind of fucking take risks in. That's crazy though. All right. I'll be back in 30 seconds and I got to start doing the Twitter giveaway shit. So give me 30 seconds. Yo, if you want, you got 30 seconds to enter. 30 seconds. Hey, what's up? No. No, you said you were going to get it. Dude, that's so crazy. I'm going to go look at this shiznick right now. It's going to be a little bit. I got to come up with a better way to do this. Oh, man. I'm surprised they didn't drop it. Yo, I'm just literally typing this out. Just entered. Where do I pick up? Pick up your pro. Dude. I got to come up with a better way to do this, by the way. I think when we do it next week, I'm going to use this other software. And that's what we're going to. Because. Wait, what? Me? I've had. No. Is this the dump? Is this the dump? Yo, I wish I knew who wasn't on the fucking stream, because then I don't have to type in their freaking name. No, how do I do that? How do I ask that? I just ask them? I love watching it, to be honest with you. Yo, you can see people are using the same fucking. Yo, people are using multiple Twitter accounts because they got the same photo. What the fuck? Who's using multiple fucking Twitter accounts? Yo, raise your hand if you're using multiple Twitter accounts. Crazy. Bro, somebody has the name. Somebody followed me and retweeted. His name is Design Knobs Tits. Who is that? Who's Designs Knobs Tits? Bro, that's crazy. Yo. Yo, a third person, same fucking third person, same photo. Yo, if you're gonna have multiple fucking Twitter accounts, at least mix it up, man. So obviously, you're gonna have to message me on Twitter to make sure it's you. By the way, we're not fucking, just letting it slide here. Dude, this is fucking crazy. Oh, I'm almost done. This is freaking. I will never do this again. Put this on the list of never doing again. I'm almost done though. Yo, what's crazy is it's. Yo, it tells me if you didn't follow me, so I just don't add you. I don't. That one guy won last week. That shit was crazy. Yo, anybody got questions by any chance? See, like this person, like. Anybody got questions about this? About anything? Prop firms? I think I'm going to use that software. There's more people. Monet, I can't take it anymore. Holy shit, they're running this thing. All right. I think I just got everybody. All right. That was freaking wild. There's a bunch of people that didn't follow the rules, so I was able to get them out. Dude, this is crazy. All right, so we're gonna do this first. Well, I have software. Like, listen, there's only 70 people on the stream, and there's over 70 people that entered this. So, no joke, there's like a third of the people that just didn't follow the rules of just. So these are for the TPT accounts. 25K. You're going to get Aldo, you're going to give me a 350K account? Yo, you're going to have to message me from your Twitter account so I know that it's really you, by the way. You can't give away pro giveaways. All right, so I'm going to show you his fucking scrolling. So this is the guy who won. Somebody's got to message me. This is who just won. Oh, that's AD, right? Is that AD? Bro, I think that's AD. All right. Next race. We're doing this different next week. Boom. Yeah. He's on every single day. He actually private messaged me. I'm gonna bring this guy up real quick. Oh my god. Bro, this might be the worst fucking thing I do all day. It's the second person I have on this list. So it is so weird. Anybody know who this fucking is? This guy on? I mean, this account is obviously following and unfollowing people. Gortovic. Is that somebody? If by the end of this race you don't claim it, we're rerunning it without you. If it's you, you got to message me from the account. Yo, Yosef and Caterpillar Trader follow him, whoever he is. Yosef, who is he? You follow him. All right. AC is right below Zelda. Let's see. Right below Zelda. Dude, I'm using that fucking software next time. All right. Who's this guy? Gotta show the wrist with is that fucking 2 watches he's got on? Oh no, that's 2 I know what those are. That's the Chanel love bracelet. Bro, it's so weird. Every car in this photo is the same color. That looks weird. Yo, hold on 1 second. Hold on. This is definitely an AI photo. Every car is the same color. He's got like, is that a music note? It says he's going 4 miles an hour. I guess he's at a stoplight. If that's him. Yo, is this guy on here? Just tell me. This guy's not on here, is he? Yo, that guy Vic is about to lose it. Race again. Yeah, it's a GTA screenshot. Fraud. Bro. Who are all these people? Yo, we're shortening this race, by the way. Dude. I will never, ever do this again like this. This guy's right above Sean. Bro, his screen name is Vishal. Yo, I'm just curious. Is Vishal 318816578 here? Are you telling me that Vishal 318816578 is not here? Bro, this guy's got 10 seconds. So we got one person. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Yo, we're doing sprints now, baby. Just fucking somebody just. Yo. Yeah, well, you got to be on the stream to claim it. I'm not chasing people. Kingston. Bro, if somebody's not on here. Kingston, you got to be on here. Right? Yo, is this dude on here? Is this dude on here? He works at the car dealership in Singapore. That's you? Crick, then message me, right? Message me. Message me on X right now if that's really you. So that's 2 winners. Yeah, you should DM me on X so I know it's you. On X. Dude, well, if he's a liar, I won't get the DM, Waldo. That's why you got to DM me. Yo. You guys are fucking... This is a rough crowd today. Who's this guy? Bro. I don't even see this guy fucking on the list. How did I even put BR? Oh, he's right under Zelda. Okay. This guy's a real guy. He's got 70 followers. This guy around? I don't think that's a real photo. Yo. I don't even know where the fuck that is. Bro. I see. I don't know who this is. You got 2 seconds in the chat. Dude, I will never do this way again. You guys. He's got my tits? Yo. Bro. If this guy's not on here, I'm just collecting the names in the chat and we're just going to run whoever's in the chat because nobody's fucking on here. Yeah, I don't even know how to say his name. If your name is Sedan. Bro, I don't understand why all these guys do this and then they don't fucking show up. Dude, this guy looks real. This guy looks real. Are these all fucking bot accounts? Somebody just tell me. It's just this fucking bot accounts? All right, this is what we're doing. None of these guys are fucking real. Nobody's in this thing. Bro, we're just going to, the last account's going to be, yo, here you go. Bro, whoever's on the chat, yo, you got 1 minute to enter your name. You're going to have 1 minute to enter your name. Go. Just enter it. I'm pulling it out, and I'm just going to run it. You got the third account. Bro, I literally pulled like 7 names, and none of them are fucking real. You have 1 minute, so don't say you missed it. I don't want to hear you missed it. You should have plenty of time. The only way you're going to miss it is if you're signing into other accounts. That's the only way you're missing it, if you're signing into multiple accounts. Yeah. Fucking MySpace entries. So for the last TBT account, bro. Now one of you guys that better fucking be here. I want to see you. I want to see your face. Better be here. Yo, helpful. You have a premature frontulation right now. Dude, you better get a freaking Mick. You better get a thingy. Boom. Ah. Dude, that was freaking. Yo, somebody remind me to do it the other way next time. I will not fucking do that again. I will not ever do that again. Holy shit. Dude, that was like the worst. I've never seen anything that bad. All right, so this is for the normal shit. Yo, it's like it's so bad. It's so bad. Well, AD is on the stream every day. AD's on the stream and in the Discord every single day. So I feel, you know. Bro, Coach Fred. No! Yo, I thought Coach Fred had it. Yo, Winvy, are you on the stream? Tell me you're on the fucking stream. Please. Please be on the stream. Please be on the stream. Yo, we're going to keep it so easy. Whoever wins this, we're just doing TPT accounts all around. TPT accounts, 25Ks all around. Brace yourself, everybody. Brace yourself. I also got a surprise. It's definitely Ball Sack Fridays. Surprise, fucking Chris. Who doesn't love Ball Sack Fridays? Ooh, watch futures. Oh, they faked you out. Mick, you already won, Mick. Relax, you won already. That was the Twitter shit. All right. Mick, Crick, you have to message me on Twitter. You said that was you. So Mick, Crick, and AD won the Twitter, and WinViv won the normal shit. So that's 4 TPT accounts, 25Ks. I am jumping off. Everybody that I just mentioned, if you won Twitter, you got to message me on Twitter to verify, though. You can't just fucking tell me it was you. You got to message me on Twitter. AD, I'm going to get. Mick, I know you. And Crick, you have to message me on Twitter. WinViv, email me. Other than that, I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace.
I'm a train that can spin in the wheel, chasing the charts for the ultimate deal. It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers light my ecstasy. Do not come, do not come. I'm gonna come when the
I don't see that you messaged me.
Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won. Dark races running with coupon codes.
I don't see you messaged me, dude.
Fortunes flip on a dime. They say I double down and live for today. Do not come, do not come.
I don't see it.
I'm gonna come when
I'll look. I think you lied. I don't know. I'll look. I don't have a message. Peace. I'm out.